y'all, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. Oh, their dog is barking downstairs. I am Cassandra, your 30 something makeup and beauty loving normal gal making videos for those of us over the age of 30 here on YouTube. And that dog is really barking now. So we're gonna try and get through this. Today is my everyday makeup drawer for March. It has some oldies but goodies from last month, plus I rotated some things in. I keep looking at it. I should look at you. I rotated some things in. Also, I am traveling a lot this month, which I may have talked about in other videos at this point. Do you want a video on what I'm packing for travel? I think I might do a couple of those, just so you can see like what I bring, both toiletries, makeup, etc. And I don't know, I might do two different ones because it's two kind of different trips, so we'll see. So, and then I could do a clothing, etc. one too. So let's just get into it. Okay, first things that are the same as last month. Still working on that e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. I think I will use it all year. I do, however, think, y'all, this lasts forever. This is the greatest deal. The Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, I think I've had at least 6 months. I think this is the month that I'm gonna finish it. So we've got that. Then, for under my eye, I'm still using two different I'm gonna rotate between two products. One is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Concealer, even though this is supposed to be for like, I don't know, it's got benefits, whatever, that's what it says. It's really creamy, so it works well under the eye. Also, y'all, I've used this forever and there's still this much left, like, I don't know. But I also got that e.l.f. Camo Concealer in too light a color, and it works under my eye, but nowhere else. So I'm gonna use this sometimes under my eye, but also as a liquid highlight. Not like or like a liquid brightener for contouring, because my liquid highlight is in the wrong drawer. Is still the the Becca Champagne Pop in Shimmering. It's the Shimmering Skin Perfector in Champagne Pop. And you can see like, I've made progress, so I want to keep using it. Foundation, still working through my Wet n Wild Photo Focus. This will not go with me traveling because it does not last all day, but I will use it just for everyday use. I have been mixing it with that oldie but goodie CYO mixing foundation, like mix-in illuminating cream. So this gives a little bit of luminosity. I like it. Oh, my primer was in the wrong drawer. Okay. Overall primer for the month is going to be the Too Faced Hangover RX, partly because this is just old and I think I really need to finish it, partly because it's getting drier, and so having a little bit more of the moisture that's in here would be helpful, because this is the replenishing face primer. It's got coconut water and skin revivers, so I thought this is probably the time to be using that. The other, just because I love its flawless finish, is the Master Blur Stick from Maybelline. You all know I'm obsessed. So that one's in here too for on those days where I might need something a little long wearing. That may come with me on these trips. It may be something else. We'll see. And then my Too Faced Shadow Insurance is still getting used. If I have any breakouts that I need concealed, it will be the It Bye Bye Breakout. My powder is still the Born This Way, and just because I really want to finish it, that Tarte Smooth Operator I'm going to try to keep using as a finishing powder this month as well. Cheek cream, I forgot. I mean, still working my way through this Tarte Energy Stick. I love it, so it's okay, but working my way through. And then if it's a day where I want lighter coverage, I'm gonna keep using my Tarte Guard in 20. This is the light formula, or like light color. It's got SPF 20 in it. I love this. I think this is great. I might repurchase this for summer, but because it says it's a tinted moisturizer, but it's really more of a BB cream. Speaking of BB cream, of course, I'll also use my L'Oreal Magic Skin Beautifier BB in light before I turn to tan next month. So those are in here as well. Still going on my butter bronzer, if you'd like to see. Progress is being made. There is a dent in there. This lasts forever. Still working on my IT brow pencil, the Universal Brow in taupe. And then when that Too Faced Shadow Insurance goes, because I think it's going to go this month, I will switch to my Trish McEvoy Eye Base. I will also be using my Trish McEvoy Instant Eye Lift right there. Give my eyes a little pop. And then my eye pencil is going to be the Sephora Waterproof Contour Matte Gel Eyeliner in Espresso Your Love. You can barely see it because of my background. Espresso Your Love. I don't think it's called this anymore. I think it's called something else, but it's a really good eyeliner. Very much a dupe for the Marc Jacobs ones. I'll try and find what it is called now and put it down below. And then just because I have these things still in my hand, mascara this month will be the Trish McEvoy Lash Curling in Jet Black. The NYX Proof It Top Coat if needed. I also will try it with the Voluminous Lash Paradise Primer, see if it works any better. And then I'm still trying to finish my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liner. I'm really loving just like the really thin line around the eye right now. Blush is going to be the DLS blush. This I got, and it's in Kitty Pink. This I got in Ipsy a billion years ago. This is just a nice everyday color on me. I know I've talked about it in other videos, but my blush on here has been just coming off super intense. It hasn't looked that intense in real life, but I have been using stronger colors, so I'm going back to a much more just like a little flush color. And then because I forgot to talk about it, I have concealer for like under my eye and if I break out, but if the other one, if I break out, is just my Secret Camouflage. I want to go back to this because this will dry out at a certain point and I really love it. So this is just a wonder concealer. It's a drier formula. I'm going to be using that more. Eyeshadow for the month. We're coming back to Soft Glam. I feel like I'm neglecting it, so we're coming back to it, but I also am going to use my e.l.f. New Classics because, let me get these adjusted. Aren't those all going to be pretty together? This is coming off a little bit cooler on screen than it actually is, but I'm telling you, these colors are going to go so nicely together. So they're going to really complement. There's actually, I think, some that are close to dupes in here for this. So I'm going to use both. And then I am bringing back out my Edit Unlocked. We, taken a month away, so now we're back because this is something I want to pan this year. I'm trying really hard to use things up, but I also am very much aware of sometimes I'm really focused on using up these things that either were gifts with purchase or came in a Sephora play or like were part of a gift set where the value of the whole thing was $70. Like, so how much I spent for that one product was $10, and yet I spent my hard-earned money on this and it's getting neglected. Like, let's use the expensive things. That's kind of why Soft Glam is coming back in too, because it's like you got to focus on those pricier ones that you purchased if you love them too, and I do love them. And then my lipstick rotation hasn't changed really. Like, I've still got the main colors up in front. I don't know how I'm gonna finish any lipsticks this year, but I can finish glosses. So this gloss from Buxom is coming back in. This is Amy. It's just like a cream with sparkle. I have it on top of another color right now. So that's coming back out. I am curious. I will put this on every day. I'm curious what progress I make on that. So pretty quick video, but that is what's in my everyday makeup drawer this month. Please leave a comment down below with what you're keeping in your makeup drawer for the month. You don't have to tell me everything, but like 1 or 2 products that you're using. Let me know. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell. And right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!